Okay kids, Mr. Burns here with your video for lesson 3T, complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, just keep in mind the complementary angles are two or more angles that when you add them together equal exactly 90 degrees. So remember, if I write it, you write it. Okay, so complementary angles are two or more angles that when you add them together equal 90 degrees. Supplementary angles, on the other hand, are two or more angles that when you add up their measures equals exactly 180 degrees. So that's supplementary. So here we go. Knowing that, let's talk about number one. Number one, we've got 20 degrees plus we've got 70 degrees. 20 plus 70, that equals 90 degrees exactly. So what are these angle pairs? They are complementary because when you add them together, they equal 90 degrees. Number two, we've got two angles here. This is 90 degrees. That one's 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees exactly. So these two angles are supplementary. Number three. On number three, we've got 130 degrees plus we have 60 degrees, and when we add those two angles together, we get 190 degrees. So are they complementary, supplementary, or neither? Since they both equal 190 degrees, they are neither complementary or supplementary. So it's neither. For number four, you've got 25 plus 65, and 25 plus 65 is exactly 90 degrees, so these are complementary angles. Number 5 and 6, it says write an equation for each description and solve for x. So we're just solving for x, we're not solving for an actual degree measurement yet. So we're just solving for x. So number 5, we've got one angle that's x degrees and the other one 114 degrees. Let's go ahead and assume that both of these angles, these angle pairs, are supplementary, so they're both going to equal 180 degrees. So we've got one, it's x plus 114 degrees. To solve for x, we're going to subtract 114 degrees from both sides of the equal sign, so I get x equals 66. And it just so happens that this is going to be 66 degrees because x is isolated all by itself, so that's good. So x is equal to 66 degrees. On number 6, you've got 7x plus 20 equals, now these angle pairs are going to equal exactly 90 degrees, so they're complementary. To solve for x, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides. I get 7x equals 70. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 7. And I get x equals 10. Now it is not 10 degrees, it is just 10. Alright, because if you look at the 7x, okay, actually has the 7 attached to it. So it's got a coefficient. Okay, so that's not going to be 10 degrees, it's just going to be x equals 10. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the back side. On number 7, it says the complement of angle J equals 18 degrees. What is the measurement of angle J? So here's that C word, complement. So these two angles, when you add them together, are going to equal 90 degrees exactly. So 18 degrees plus measurement of angle J equals 90 degrees. To find out what the measurement of angle J is, I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. And I'm going to get measurement of angle J is going to be 72 degrees. Number 8, the supplement of angle A is 44 degrees. What is the measurement of angle A? So again, supplement, that's going to be 180 degrees. So 44 degrees plus the measurement of angle A is going to equal exactly 180 degrees. To find the measurement of angle A, I'm going to subtract 44 from both sides. Okay, and when I get that, I get the measurement of angle A is 136 degrees. Okay, let's go ahead and jump on to number 9. Okay, at number 9 it says complete the diagram. So for part A it says the measurement of angle ABC is equal to 120 degrees. It says locate and label this angle in the diagram below. Well, 120 degrees is obtuse, so guess what? This is going to be 120 degrees. Now we got to label the points. The middle point is B. Okay, then you get A, B, and C. All right, that's 120 degrees. Now for part B, it says the measurement of CBD, okay, is going to equal to 2x degrees. So locate, label this angle, okay, in the diagram below. We did that. Okay, it just so happens for part C, it says set up an equation and solve for x. So these two angles are going to be supplementary, okay, because when we add 120 plus 2x, that equals 180 degrees. So to solve for the value of x, we're going to go ahead and subtract 120 from both sides. Okay, so subtract 120 from both sides. So we get 2x equals, what's 180 minus 120? 180 minus 120 is 60. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I get x equals 30. Now, it's not 30 degrees, it's 30. So it says, what is the measurement of angle CBD? So to find the measurement for angle CBD, I have to take the value of 30, okay, and plug it back into that expression. So for part D, let's start off with that expression, 2x. I know that x equals 30, so I'm going to substitute in 30 for x. So it's going to be equal to 2 times 30. 2 times 30 is 60. Okay, and that is 60 degrees. All right, at this time, go ahead and get out a piece of paper, and let's get ready to write down our assignment. Good job, you guys.